Your duty pump fails. You switch to standby and it doesn't work. That's not a backup system, that's a failure strategy. In this video, I will show you why interchangeability is more important than redundancy. Slide 1. Core reality. In many plants, standby pumps exist but cannot be used immediately. The issue is not availability, it is interchangeability. A standby pump must be ready to replace the duty pump instantly. Slide 2. Why duty standby is used. Duty and standby arrangements ensure continuous operation. They allow maintenance without shutdown and provide backup during failure. Slide 3. Types of spares. There are 3 types of spares: installed standby pumps, strategic spare units, and critical spare components. Each plays a different role in reliability. Slide 4. What is interchangeability? Interchangeability means the standby pump can replace the duty pump without any modification. No piping changes, no alignment issues, and no performance mismatch. Slide 5. Hydraulic interchangeability. Both pumps must have identical performance curves. Flow, head, and efficiency must match across operating range. Otherwise, process conditions will change during switchover. Slide 6. Mechanical interchangeability. Physical dimensions must match exactly. Base plate, nozzle location, shaft height, and coupling arrangement must be identical. Even small differences can cause major delays. Slide 7. Electrical and control matching. Motors, control systems, and instrumentation must match. Protection logic and signals must be identical. Otherwise, automatic switchover may fail. Slide 8. Spare parts strategy. Critical parts like seals, bearings, shafts, and wear rings must be stocked. Long lead items must be identified early. Proper planning prevents long downtime. Common challenges: using different vendors, upgrading only one pump, and ignoring wear differences create mismatch. These issues reduce interchangeability. Slide 10. Layout considerations. Both pumps must have identical access, lifting arrangements, and piping layout. Maintenance procedures should be the same for both units. Slide 11. Operation strategy. Alternate duty and standby pumps regularly. This ensures equal wear and keeps standby pump ready. Slide 12. Periodic testing. Run standby pump regularly. Check vibration, temperature, and performance. Idle equipment degrades over time. Slide 13. Common mistakes. Assuming performance without testing, ignoring driver differences, not stocking spares, and modifying only one unit are common mistakes. Slide 14. Reliability impact. Proper spare strategy reduces downtime, improves maintenance efficiency, and lowers operational risk. Slide 15. Golden principle. Remember this key principle: redundancy without interchangeability is a false sense of security. If you want to become a strong reliability engineer, you must design systems that actually work in emergencies. Like this video, subscribe for deep engineering knowledge, and comment spare if you want more real case studies. See you in the next video.